great. The Abilities Expo is really great. Welcome to the show.
I do love the expo.
We love the expo.
This is my 4th time to the expo, and I love it.
This is my first expo.
First time here is definitely a lot of information. It's good to see like different people, different disabilities as well. And I'm really enjoying it. It's nice. There's a lot of information.
I feel like I'm part of a family because it's like you're not being judged for not walking or not doing normal things like everybody else.
Puts you at ease, that I haven't had a person just stare at me since I showed up, and I'm used to that out in public.
We always get stared at when we go around, and they look at her like we're different, but not here. It's there. We're just one of the community, That's what we like about it.
We love Abilities Expo.
And I've been looking around, and a lot of great equipment that can actually make our lives easier.